Halo, baik kok.
Hello. Hi, everyone. Hi,
Halo.
Cecilia.
Hai,
Hi,
Sumal.
Sumalti.
Okay, Cecilia, from your side, are we expecting for Chumat and the rest to join?
Yes.
Okay, can. So while waiting, right, Cecilia. So we also have So we have Satish in this call. The reason why I invited so that if there's any training matters. So remember, you were saying that you do not have the admin training material.
Yes, correct.
So I've checked with him, and apparently from our side, yes, we have settled that. As in, that admin training material has been shared.
Shared with the team, is it?
Shared with Berlin earlier.
I think I shared, even Kanchan shared earlier with Berlin when Kanchan was around.
No, the admin training is different from the user training.
Yes.
Mm.
Okay, if you want, I can send it again.
Can you double check for me? Then if you find one, just send out.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, hi Iko. So Iko, we are still waiting for the rest of the project team members from the YTL side to join in.
Yes.
So we are still expecting for Chung Hwan, Sean, and Andrew.
Sure, no problem.
Who else? Sean, Andrew, and Chunwat, right?
Correct.
You can trigger ask to join, right? Anyway, I trigger it. Calling now.
Sorry, I was another.
Okay, no problem. So Cecilia, we are good to start?
Few of us just started.
I asked Sean whether he wanted to join.
Yeah, we are all in the other call.
Andrew is here. Yeah.
We are all in the other call.
Okay.
I think we can start.
Okay. Can maybe let's you can summarize the call part also. Hi everyone, thank you for your time. So the reason why we have arranged for this call today is to have our first support kickoff call, so that we get some introduction on how we are conducting. We do support from this point side. So basically for the YTL PS project that we have been involved with. So it's a support portion for the O365.
Sorry.
Yes. Yeah.
Cecilia, you didn't get your team in. You need to be aware of this.
The DSC team. You want to call all the support, including server ops?
Because eventually, desktop is the one who going to work with the Coinstar support, right? They are the one that actually will interact with them more. And they need to know how to raise a support and work with them on the support. Am I right? I mean, this is usually desktop. Support don't really interact with them direct, right? Unless it's an issue that is specific that they need to link them up later.
Okay, not including the SMTP relay, right?
I don't know. Today's discussion is more to kick off and understand the support structure and how to raise a support ticket with the support team, is it?
Correct.
So technically, usually these were. I mean, if they can't get the whole team, at least get one representative to understand, so that they know what to do.
Okay, I'll check whether Anja or Meghan's available.
If not, then later you communicate to them the information, is it?
I'm thinking one of the point star to sit down with them regarding the operational support later.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. I mean, if that's a plan, this kickoff is just.
Okay, may I suggest this then? Okay, so once this kickoff is over, so like today we give you an introduction, so you also like can share your point of view in terms of how we can collaborate with your helpdesk team. So then once everything is finalized, I think it would be good if we have a call between the support team and also the desktop support team from your side.
Okay.
So one thing is just to like get to know each other. And they can also understand better in terms of how the tickets are being logged and so on.
Okay, I'm okay with the approach also.
Okay, but it will be immediate as in like I think like today we can declare it as a kickoff day. So after this, for whatever support issues, you can always start emailing us at the premier support at Coinstar already.
Yeah, that's why the desktop must know.
Correct.
So you need to get them so that they're aware. But I mean, you have a separate session with them, then do it soon also, so that they know what to do.
Okay. So Cecilia, for that I need to go through via you also. So,
yeah, sure. And you'll provide us the details, the contact info, emails, and will there be any SLA, right?
Yeah, now Eco will be like, so I'm going to handle this session to Eco now. Okay, so Eco is our support manager who's handling the support at Coinstar. So basically, he'll be running through the support processes, and then feel free to raise up any questions and just let's clarify from both sides, even from our side, Coinstar side, if we have any clarifications. Like for example, like Ankaj, Eco, Andro will be working closely with this project. So you also can feel free to ask Chung Huat and team in terms of any inquiries that you have. Eiko, this on you now. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. Hi everyone. My name is Eiko. So I'd like to do a presentation about how support works on and how your team or any members having the issue raise the ticket to us. Okay, let me share the screen. 1 second. Okay, I believe that all of you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. All right, so this is the topic that I would like to cover: how to contact Pointstar, introducing our ticketing support, and the channels, how to contact us, and ticket prioritizing like P1, P2, P3, P4. So I will explain further about this one, how to classify which one under P1 or which one under P4. And then escalation matrix, SLA, service level agreements, support coverage hours, type of support, and of course at the end of the sessions it will be like Q&A, right? So this is the process when you arrest a ticket. So it's just to give a glance about our technology and the people that we are having right now. They are really well trained people. Okay, and then this is how you can contact us. You may send an email to primarysupport@pointdestar.com, or you can just contact us through this number. And our working hours from 9 until 6, Monday to Friday, including a Singapore public holiday. For example, do 2 of the off hours support, and you do have the issue like P1, for example, like normally the service is down, we call it as an outage. Then please feel free to contact us to inform us, so we will do further investigation about this matter. All right, and then we need the point of contact like usernames, and then other informations. And you also can contact us through WhatsApp. So we are thinking to create a group for you guys. So let's say if you have a really urgent and you're away from the laptop or desktop, just send a WhatsApp to the group so we can immediately respond and giving the support on this. And this is the channel, email, phone, and WhatsApp chat is optional. So later on we will having like a group chat. So sometimes when we are investigation, we do investigation about this. We might need sharing the screen like this. We might using like Microsoft Team, or maybe others like TeamViewer if we need to. All right, and then the authorized caller is people like administrators from YTLPS and also help desk team. So for those people, they can contact us because I believe that they do have the access to the admin centers, and also they already done like a basic troubleshooting, but due to the issues not resolved, then they can reach us for the further investigations. Right, so this is the structures on how they need to contact if they are having the issue. So from WatchL teams, for the end user, they contact the WatchLPS help desk team, and then after that, the message will be forwarded to Pointstar support team. So in order to manage the ticket support, right, we do have a ticketing system. This ticketing system named Module Helpdesk. So you just log into pointstar.modulehelpdesk.com. Right, you will be getting like username, like password, and a username and password as well. So let me give you the sample of the ticket. This is like this is the panel of the module helpdesk. So every ticket that has been opened or raised to us, it will be organized here. And after we receive the new ticket, then we will distribute the tickets to our agents. So our agents will start to investigate the issue based on the main issue. After that, we will provide the solutions or the best solutions to solve the issue. So, for example, like this one. So this is the insert of the ticket itself. So this is like a conversations. And on the left hand side, there will be like the queue itself, right? And then when the ticket has been created, and also we do have the event log to track the process. Okay, so this is like the conversation between our agents with your team. Okay, right, so go back to the slide again. Okay. Before you contacting OnStar support, please do provide these informations like description of the issue, including the step that we could use, the time, right? And then whether the problem is consistent or intermittent, or is it reproducible on your site, or maybe from the another operating system or browser or network, something like that. And then also providing some info such as affected username, screenshot or video. So it will give us a clue or hints to get a better understanding of the issue. All right. So and also providing the contact person such as email and contact number. We are really advised that someone who has the access to admin center because you might need to check the setting or configuration inside of the admin center itself. So we of course we need someone who have the access on it. And then this is the process. So user of the YTLPS contact the helpdesk team. So what TLPS support or helpdesk team can contact us through emails or calls, and then once we receive the ticket, then it will end up in our module helpdesk ticketing system. Then we will tag the ticket as P1, P2, or P3 or P4, right? And then we start to investigate the issue. Maybe during that time there will be like a few conversations between our agents and with your team. And hopefully we can solve the issue as soon as possible. Let's say sometimes due to of the product limitation or product issue, there's something that out of our control, then we need to escalate to a Microsoft team support. So on the time, because in the Microsoft Office 365, they don't have like a visual console. So in order to escalate this ticket, we might need to access from the admin center itself. And from inside the admin center, there's options to escalate the ticket. So that's why we need the approval from administrator who can give us the access, or maybe we can just guide the administrators to open the ticket to the Microsoft team. And then, like I said before, we might need the admin access in order to do some investigations. Like I said, like maybe we need to check the configuration or setting. For example, like, okay, several users unable to receive email. Then we need to check the mail flow. And also the setting, why we end up with the bounce message, something like that. Yeah. So this support covering during the office hour. So let's say, how about if off hours? For off hours, only P1 ticket will be supported. So escalation of ticket must be via phone call and WhatsApp chat. For the on-site service, refer to any service rendered by PointStar on YTL Power premises. So these are within the mainland Singapore and Jurong Island. So, no worries about this one. We do our best to solve the issue remotely. So it means for us, it's really efficient and effective to solve the issue, because since this pandemic, right? So everyone, most of us work from home. So, and this is like cloud computer or cloud structures, then everything can be solved by remotely. And then almost the same, the structures of support for all of us, only this different. So we only support for P1. The rest is the same. And for ticket raised by VIP group of Office 365 users will be classified as P2 with the corresponding 1 hour response time as per the operative response table. So normally our team will respond less than 1 hour because we take seriously the issue that coming from our customer. So we know their concerns and we do our best on how to give the quick response on this. And support for this group of users will be raised by YTLPS through the Office 365 administrator or the IT support hubs team. Okay, so we just want to avoid the ticket raised by the user directly because the particular users doesn't have the access to admin center, so it can prolong the investigation and also the solutions. So that's why highly recommended only administrator or help desk team has the access to the admin center. And VIP group maximum is 5%. Later, maybe we need these people, all right? And then for the service level agreement, P1, P2, and P3. P1, P2 is like the time is like urgent, so response time will be 1 hour, business hour. But like I said, it could be less than 1 hour. P3 2 business hour and P4 also 2 business hour. And please remind that for this, like the situation that out of our control, the solution is because we need to get some information and then we need to escalate to the support. Sometimes support, they also need to do investigation from themselves before they can provide the update. Okay, so this is the difference between P1 until P4. For example, like P1 is the critical issues impact like for the whole users. For example, like outage, the service is down. There's nothing much we can do. So this is we take as a P1. This is like a really, really urgent matters because it will impact your business as well. P2, it's like a product issue. For example, like there's the case that I handled before. In the Office 365, the Office web unable to find certain emails. So these emails consist of the Chinese characters, and then we need to escalate because this is like a known issue. And then at the time there is no workaround, right? Or maybe another scenario, like for example, email. There's an issue with the email, or maybe they cannot log in due to of the system down, something like that. For P3, the product issue, but there are still there's still workarounds as the solution for these situations. For example, like this morning, we are having the meeting. The issue is about they cannot synchronize the address book from Office 365 to the Outlook 2007. So 2007, that product is already deprecated. So we try any method, but seems the address book from the Office 365 cannot be synced with Outlook 27. So we have another workaround by exporting the address book from Office 365 and import it into the Outlook 2007. So this is kind of like a sample of the scenario. And for before, it's like it's like general common issue. For example, like I cannot reset the password for something like that, or maybe one user cannot send email, and then this sender receive like a bounce message. So what should we do on this matter? Then we start to investigate the issue. So this is the sample of the scenario that we might facing in the future. And for the customer contact, yes, for the primary, they can just call us or send an email to premier@find.star.com, and you may contact Sumati to this number, or you just send email to me to vijay@find.star.com if you need further assistance from us. Okay. So the why you are using our service, that because we want to give you value added, for example, like consultations. If there's any update from Office 365, you would like to know more, then we can provide the information and consultations. And also, we provide you a quarterly report, like every 3 months, the details of it, how to solve this and how to avoid, so it might not happen again in the future, something like that. And we also have the dedicated account management if you do have another concerns about this one. So, like I mentioned before, in the first place, we might need the list of the administrator of the 365 and also help desk team, email and contact number. The reason why, because if one of them open a ticket, in order to solve the issue quickly, we might contact them directly. It's just better than do like conversation in email. That is what I think of. So better we just call them, and then we might do like a meeting online. We can do like a share screen. So we know we also can if we can contact them just to gathering more info about. Okay, so that's it. We already at the end of the slides. So please feel free if you do have a questions. Please go ahead. Yeah, everyone?
The
Yes.
Office 365 support covers all the Office 365 components, is it?
Yes, basically yes.
So
For
not,
component.
it's not only email, but includes Teams.
Yes,
Okay.
correct.
I just
Correct.
want to, yeah.
Yes,
right.
because in the Office 365 it has like the core applications.
Yes.
So we're supposed to support for the core application itself. Yeah, like OneDrive, anything. Yeah, correct.
And SharePoint as well.
Yeah. Is there any question about how you raise the ticket? Is something that not really clear, so I can repeat again. If you'd like, then maybe one of you can just send email to Premier support,
Sorry, just a quick check. So just now you show us the portal for us to access the help desk ticketing system.
Yes.
So you'll be and password.
Yes. We will providing you for the username and password as well.
Just a single ID and password, is it? Or am I expected to have different, for each individual one to have a different ID and password?
Okay. So once here you still see my screen, right?
It's at the last page. Yes, correct.
Last page. So this is the configuration of the module itself.
So you'll be creating users for us, for our account?
Yes, correct. So from here, I will be creating the credential information from you guys.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. For internally, we'll sort out how we want to do this. Just because I understand from project perspective, we have a number of issues which has not been resolved and moved into the operation issues. Mm-hmm. So all these are already captured in the ticketing system or not yet?
Yes, of course. Because
already created.
Yes. When you send the ticket to us, right? Normally, either I can create the credential information for you, or the system will create credential information for you, and then once the ticket will receive, then we do a conversations. Everything will be documented.
Okay, for the 4 issues, sorry to interrupt. So for the 4 issues which will be onboarded from project to support, that is not in the system yet. So I will have a separate discussion with Eco and then give him the details of the ticket so that he can create those 4 tickets then.
So for those already settled, you want not? This is only for operations.
Yes, for the new issue.
Okay.
What will happen to obviously when we are using Google? Because we are also using this module help desk to log in. Will that be migrated over, or can we use the same account to log in Office 365 cases?
Yes, you can. If you already have this, because the credential of this module is totally different with the account of Office 365 and also Google G Suite.
So previously you were already using this, is it?
When we logged a case to when there's issue with Google, yeah.
Oh, during Google time we already using this.
Using module help desk, yes.
Oh, so technically, if you use the same ID to log in, you will still see all your old tickets,
But it currently will go to the a new queue for O365 queue.
Different queue, but the old data is still there.
Yeah, I can see this is your name, right, Cecilia?
Roshan Cecilia, yes, correct.
Yeah, yes, we still have this. Yeah.
The first one is the Azure. Right?
Yeah, no worries. Any. I mean, you just.
I can log in any of them.
Yes.
Okay.
So now, okay, the desktop support team will also get their own respective accounts, right, to log in.
Yes, correct. Yes.
Aside from the IT help desk account.
Yeah. So yeah, up to you if you want to use an account, or maybe you can just create a new account for you. Yeah. This is only impacting the module help desk, not much.
Cecilia, but if we create for individual, that means when we do offboarding of them, we need to make sure that this part is taken care of also.
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Can you get how many Power Saraya accounts inside your portal?
Power Saraya, let's see.
Yeah. Are those left the company still there?
Yeah.
Austin.
Austin, yes. Yes, you see, all the people are still there.
They're very old.
So do you need to remove one of them?
Yeah.
A lot of them.
But if you remove, it will also remove those tickets that they have opened before.
That one no.
No,
Can be.
related one. Yeah.
Yeah, but I suggest just keep it like this because
Can we disable?
Yeah.
Just disable.
Yeah, at least disable.
Okay, Iko, what you do, you delete, like an example of simple. There will be an option to assign the tickets to another user. So you can assign to Cecilia.
Okay, what I can do is I'll generate the list for you. Whatever the list I send, that's the only people from Power Seraya will access. I mean, report a case to you. So those
Okay.
not inside, just disable.
okay,
Of
here
course.
I do
Yeah.
a capability to suspend the user.
Yeah.
Just suspend, yeah, better like that, yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm afraid that it will impact the ticket that has been raised by them.
But you have other customer that all the while active. I mean, this one you have to administer through your site, or we can actually administer also.
From our side, this is like an internal tools.
So anytime we have any resource changes, we have to let you know.
Yes, of course, yes, no problem.
Okay. Fine, I think we need to clean up, that's all. That's a lot, yes. Yeah, and we need to add in the new people.
And then the reason why the system will be giving you this kind of information because you can log into the user panel, and from the panel you can see the ticket that you already raised or open to us. Okay, now you can see the ticket that is still in progress and closed ticket. Yeah. So the reason why the Mojo Help Desk giving this kind of access.
Okay, and you will also give us access to the knowledge Office 365 knowledge base, right? Because now I can only see G Suite support and G Suite knowledge base, but no Office 365 at all on using my own account.
Oh, okay.
It's not port over yet, right?
Okay, knowledge base from the Mojo Help Desk, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Okay, for that ones, we can create for you, right? So actually, in the Mojo Help Desk, it has capabilities to store any informations, and it will become the knowledge base.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure that when we log a case, it goes to Office 365 support team and not to G Suite support.
Yeah, of course. Let me show you. Okay, this is the ticket that I'm handling right now. So the way I manage the ticket is just like this. So I will put the queue.
Yeah.
Yes. So later on, it will be useful when we generating the reports. So it will like populate only the Office 365 issue. So also I can just populate only for your the issue that coming from your site.
Okay.
Yes. Very interesting, right? About the ticketing system.
So Cecilia, you have used this before?
The Mojo Help Desk.
Yeah.
I think I logged a case before, yeah.
Is it easy to use?
During the migration. Basically, my portal is different from what.
Yeah, because your portal is like a
End user.
portal.
Just an end user one.
Yes, correct. Right.
Like the option is like create tickets. That's all. New ticket, and then yeah, that's all.
True.
Just wondering whether this is a good system to use.
This is like a simple system, but have actually like a powerful. Has a powerful function.
Okay.
Is this in-house one? Coinstar in-house ticketing system?
Yes. This is our internal tool system. Yes.
Oh. You implemented yourself, or you built yourself, or is
This is it was implemented by the Coinstar. But actually, if you want to know more about this one, this is really simple. What you need to do just go to the.
It's okay, we are just exploring different solutions.
Yeah.
But we can discuss this separately, Suresh.
So no problem.
Yeah. Let's focus back on kickoff.
For the VIP, Lisa, do you want us to give you the all our VIP users, right?
We might need like only 5 VIP users.
What if we have more than 5?
Okay, that one. Okay. So Martin, maybe you want to add something about this VIP list?
How many do you have?
Let's say roughly between 10 to 15.
So that is from each department. We can take it up. Ibu, maybe we can take it up with the thing. Because okay, the reason being, if it's too many, then I'm not sure if let's say like a couple of VIP coming in together. So whether we'll be able to handle them. So if it's a very critical issue for any very important VIPs, then we will handle. Usually we recommend 5, but if you want to nominate 10, double up lah, right? Okay, let us like maybe we can take it up with you if it's okay with that. Then we will let you know accordingly. Alright, so it's gonna be 5, or okay, you are recommending, you have 15 VIPs, right? And you are recommending, we will see how many that we can add on from there. And one more thing that I want to request here is, okay, who can equal communicate to whenever if there is a issue? So at help desk level, all right, they have the engineers and so on. So for the team issue, so who will be the immediate contact person for equal? So let's say equal, we go back to the chart just now, right? The escalation chart. So who from YTL will be like the point of contact for equal?
Can we enter the chat?
The desktop support, the desktop support team, 3 of them.
Okay, Equal, you go to slide number, which number is that?
Number 4?
No, where your name will be there, my name will be there.
Oh, okay.
11, yeah.
15.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So for the primary escalation, it will be our teams. So I believe this is your help desk team. Is there a lead for the team? It will be like the single source of reference.
So
I provide the same. Yeah, I'll provide the same for you.
Okay, all right. So okay. So if you can provide the same, then it will be good. So easier for us to communicate. Yep. Okay. Okay. All right. I think yes, that's all from me. Anything else that we need to clear about here?
Okay.
Any other questions from Chunghat?
So the primary one at the back end, so anyone from ECO's team will reply when we email premiersupport@pointstar.com, right?
Yes.
At the back end.
Yes, because we have a team here. So any ticket that opened by your team, so we will respond immediately.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Malti, you're going to record those tickets migrated to support, right? Project tickets migrated to support. So if let's say Nihal's side wanted to follow up, you'll be providing a ticket number, right?
Yes, correct. So once it's logged, so I'll send the email to Eco. You'll be in the CC loop. So then we are aware of that. Then Eco will be sharing with us the ticket numbers of the cases logged. Then we will follow up from there. I think one of the cases I can follow up already in terms of the info@kinetco.sg. I think the user asked us to catch up with them for the first week of August. So for that case, maybe I can catch up with the user. I think what this story is. Can.
Okay.
Okay, so I think as the next course of action, Eco, you can share this slide with the team, the YDL team, and
Yes.
then send us a summary or email. You can send the slide, the summary of what was discussed today. And I propose that we have the meeting with the desktop team tomorrow. Will it be okay with both sides?
What time?
Eco?
Let me check my calendar first. 1 second.